The Bitcoin bottom is not in yet, and every single bullish momentum here is just to trap you before the next rally towards the upside will start for Bitcoin. We have been seeing a breakdown and we're not even done yet dumping here. And with that, I am pretty satisfied with my massive short positions here over on Bitcoin. I will deep dive into every single detail. What am I about to do next over on Bitcoin and what I will do next with these open trades. I will deep dive into every single detail, but first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those updates. And let's dive right away into the content for now. Because time-wise, the Bitcoin bottom is not in yet. Because every single time the Bitcoin bottom was formed approximately a year after we have seen the Bitcoin all-time high. And right now, we're not even close towards that time target. Right over here, we have been seeing it in 2014 again. We have been creating an all-time high, and after that 364 days Bitcoin started to bottom out here and rallied towards the top side. The rallies are approximately 1,000 days, and after that the Bitcoin all-time high is set and a year of downwards movement is there to come for Bitcoin, and after that Bitcoin started to rally towards the upside. This is not the first time we have been seeing it. This is just a cycle Bitcoin moves again after every single all-time high here. We have been seeing it 3 times for now, and I expect it to be exactly the same this year. And after that, we could see some more movement towards the upside. But if we measure from of this all-time high 364 days, that would be a window of approximately in October. And we have been talking about this also on on-chain data. And other on-chain data is also signaling for a bottom in approximately October. And that is exactly what I have been thinking on as well, and that is why I have opened up some really big short positions on Bitcoin, because I have some fractals about earlier bear markets, and I still think this is just a middle station before Bitcoin will rally further on towards the downside. So for now, in my opinion, the Bitcoin bottom will form in October 2026 here. Also, of course, we are seeing some bullish momentum getting in the market once again, but we don't need to forget this massive breakdown we are currently seeing. We have been consolidating and compressing towards an edge point here over on Bitcoin, but last week we have been breaking down here, and these targets are $66,000 here. And of course, we could see some bullish momentum coming between the $66,000 and right now, but I still think if we see a pump towards the upside, we will reject from of this region and from of this order block right over here, and that is approximately the $79,000 and $81,000. If we pump towards that level, I'm opening up even a bigger short position towards the downside, because I don't think Bitcoin is even done dumping. And like I said, I will be opening up a new short position. If we pump towards those regions, I am getting out of this trade position right over here with approximately $9,000 in a profit. The most beautiful part about this trade is I have already locked in $6,000. So if we get stopped out on break even and in profit here, I have been making approximately $10,000 to $15,000 on this trade. If we are getting stopped out, I will be looking for a new entry in the region of the $79,000 towards $81,000 mark here. If we see that happening, I will be opening up a short position with the size I'm in right now and with the profits I have been making against the leverage. So this trade would probably be a bigger trade of approximately $300,000 if we see a pump towards that $81,000 mark here. That is my plan for this trade. I've been opening up completely transparent right here at the top. I've been almost calling the exact top here on the channel before it even happened, because I've been setting those limit orders before they even got hit, completely free and transparent here over on my YouTube channel. So please make sure to subscribe over on my YouTube channel if you want to see the next move getting unfold and the next big Bitcoin trade getting opened here. But this is not the only trade I've been opening up on Bitcoin, because I've been predicting the next move towards the downside once again on Bitcoin, and also right over here we have been perfectly predicting the move fully transparent before it even happened. With this trade, like I said, if we pump and dump towards that $75,000 mark, I am putting my stop loss on break even, so I can't lose on this trade. I'm not gonna take any profits yet of this trade, because even if we pump towards that $81,000 mark, I will let this trade even open. And with that, I am trading this move towards at least the 73 towards $70,000 mark. So that is my current plan with the trades open over on Bitcoin. And that is currently what I am projecting for the Bitcoin price here. Because I've been talking about this time and that we're probably in a mid-range right now. And that is exactly the fractal we have been seeing earlier. Because if we look at the momentum and the points in the market, we have been getting a move up. After that, Bitcoin saw a small dump towards the downside. That is exactly what we have been seeing right over here. After that, Bitcoin started to rally on further on towards the upside and set a new all-time high. That is exactly what we have been doing right over here. We have been setting a new all-time high, and after that, the Bitcoin price moved further on towards the downside. But now comes the interesting part. We have been seeing that move down. Perfect. After that, Bitcoin started to consolidate before the next rally towards the downside start, and that is exactly what we are doing right now. But also, if you look at what Bitcoin is retesting right now, we are retesting the lows of the first down move, and that is exactly what currently we are doing exactly over on Bitcoin. And that was where Bitcoin started to rally on towards the downside afterwards, and that is exactly what I'm expecting next over on Bitcoin. And that is why I'm still bearish on Bitcoin, and why I've been still opening up like $400,000 in position size here over on Bitcoin. This is the next plan over on Bitcoin. But if something changes in the market and if the Bitcoin price starts to make a pattern and I want to short it, you could be the first one to notice out there. So please make sure to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And the most interesting and important part here is you can join my free community with the link in the description. And if I open up such a big position here, fully transparent before the price even moves down, you will be the first one to notice. And with that, I've been making some really big profits here over on my trading accounts, and I want you to do so as well. So I've been working on something really big behind the scenes, and it will drop fairly soon. And it is just something that is completely free for every single one of you. So if you want to be the first one to get into what is coming next and want early access on what is about to drop, please make sure to join the free Telegram group by yourself, and you will be the first one to enter what is about to drop next. And with that being said, I am still waiting on the real move towards the downside and the real manipulation over on Bitcoin. And after that, I want to be the first one to turn bullish on Bitcoin once again and open up some really big long positions, because over on the longer term time frame, I'm so bullish on Bitcoin, but right now we just need to see a little pullback further on towards the downside. If you want to get updated every single day about the Bitcoin price, please make sure to follow me over on X and to subscribe over on my YouTube channel. And I want to see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.